Very good evening, students. My name is Tiwari Prince Kumar, and I'm going to take the class of Information Technology in your class. So let us continue. So let us see what is information technology. So first of all, the term information technology means what? Anybody in the class you can say. So just right now I'm making video, so I will just explain it out. So what is the actually information technology? So the thing is what technology you are aware of. Technology is what students. Technology क्या होती है? Technology is nothing but what? Anything which has a technical procedure or logical what working principle. So you can say that combinedly it defines the technology. And in the terms of information, which type of information is included in that technology? Whether it is related to your technical skills, whether it is a it is based on what input and output device, information, input and output, whether it is based on input or output or the data you are sharing or anything else. So information in combinedly it forms what the technology which is included with some data or information is combinedly has given rise to information plus technology has given rise to information technology. The technology which is acquiring some information. Next is what? So ये क्या है बच्चों? You can see here in the timing I have have collected some of the data. Time of a paper, how it looks like, you can say. Basically the exam जो भी होता है इसका 3 hours का होता है, and maximum number of marks it carries 60 marks in the terms of theoretical, and the practical the rest of 40 marks. Overall it combinedly it forms what 100 marks as well. So you can see some of the data I have collected. So information technology, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसकी जो टेक्स्ट बुक है बेसिकली इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट इट इज़ बेसिकली अप्लाइड via site. It is given in your syllabus as well, so don't worry about that. I have collected all the information. I will just share it back to you in PDF format as well. So let us continue. So you can see here what are the things are given. So it is basically divided into two parts. Information technology is divided into two parts. Basically it is divided into two parts. First part is your what database management applications, DMA, and second part it is what it is employability skills as well. In short you can term it as ES, and it is in DMA database management skills termed as DMA as well. Let us continue. So बच्चों देखो क्या दे रखा है यहाँ पे देखते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं. सो यहाँ पे डोंट बी कंफ्यूज. सो ये जो पोर्शन है बेसिकली आई हैव मेड एन क्रॉस मार्क हियर. सो इट इज़ रिलेटेड विद द एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी skills, and it is what it is related with the DMA. This section is related with the DMA, database management application. So let us see. And part A, part B means in the question the part A will be what your employability skills. In the question number basically in the examinations part B will comprise of what database management applications. Let us continue. Okay, next you can see here. Yes, so the thing is what unit is so there are certain units. 5 units are there in the terms of employability skills, and there are 4 units in the database management applications. So in the terms of employability skills देखो क्या दे रखा है बच्चों. First one is your communication skills, second one is your self management skills, third one is your ICT skills, and information communication technology, and entrepreneurial skills, and green skills as well. Next, in terms of what a database management system, you can see here there are what are the things: database concepts, RDBMS, database management software, you can say. And next is your operating web based applications. Third one is Java, fundamental Java programming, and work in fourth one is what comprises of work integrated learning, ITDMA as well. Now let us continue with some of the explanation about the database management skills applications. So let us see in this page, you can see here. So this is the subjective skills part of database management applications. So what are the things, the units heading wise यहाँ पे content दे रखा है in this page and this page as well. You can see first 2 unit is your database concept, second one is your operating web, third one is your fundamental of Java programming, and the fourth one is your work integrated learning, ITDM database management database management applications as well. So today we'll discuss about the some of the little bit introduction part of database concepts in the of the first unit of database management applications. So let us see. So what is given? Introduction. The key to organizational success is effective decision making, which requires timely, relevant, and accurate information. Yeah. So you can see here. द की टू ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सक्सेस इज इफेक्टिव डिसीजन मेकिंग. सीधी सी बात है, देखिए कोई भी वर्क हमें करना है बेसिकली, so there should be involvement of effective decision, means at the right point and the right time as well. See, you have to take the decision whether to do the task or perform or not. एग्जाम में आपको ये करना है कि नहीं करना है, पहले आप क्या करोगे, यू विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट, फर्स्ट सेक्शन ए एंड देन विल मूव टू द सेक्शन बी, और एल्स यू विल डू फर्स्ट द सेक्शन नंबर ए एंड सी, after that we will go to the b. So ये it is nothing but what effective decision making skills, which comes under what, it is a key point, main important point है बेसिकली. और किस लिए चाहिए? टाइमली. इट विल बी टाइमली, इफेक्टिव, रेलेवेंट होना चाहिए, एक्यूरेट इन्फॉर्मेशन होना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि पता लगा अब डेटा है, डेटा एक्यूरेट होना चाहिए. नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स विच आर एक्टिवली पार्ट इन द वॉट क्लासेस, और दे आर राइटिंग, दे आर गुड, दे हैव चेक देयर कॉपीज, ऑल द थिंग्स. एनी डेटा जो है क्या होना चाहिए? एक्यूरेट होना चाहिए. दे विल नॉट बी शफल्स और ग्लिचेस एज वेल. Hence, information plays a critical role in the today's competitive environment. Information plays a very important role. सीधी सी बात है, किसी भी चीज़ का एनालाइजेशन के लिए there will be the requirement of information technology, information. And next is what? Database management software. So DBMS is short in the full form. What is the abbreviation of DBMS? It is database management software. So what is why it is that? So because it is a software which manages the data. Basically database को जो manage data को information को manage करता है, how whenever it is required and how it is proceeded, how it is looks like that. Simplifies the task of managing the data and exactly extracting useful information out of it. और उसके अंदर से extracting main important cream of the data, you have to gain the information and just you will apply onto the further as well, where is the required part. We shall learn about the basic concepts of the database के बारे में study करेंगे. Also learn about the use of DBMS for the some applications. Some of the applications के लिए कैसे ये use होता है सॉफ्टवेयर, इसके बारे में study करेंगे. So in the next video we'll probably study out in the elaboration part, and so thank you for taking part in the video as well.